Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I'm before you with two different job opportunities in Cape Shmini and also a huge opening like 500 plus with 50 plus companies. Actually, this is something like, you are going to get introduced to hundreds of openings. Maybe. So let's discuss everything in detail, like the eligibility criteria, the package details, everything in detail in this video. So first, let me start with Relevel by Unacademy. Okay, so Relevel by Unacademy is an initiative by Unacademy. You must have heard about Unacademy. It's something a greatest platform in India ever for the education, like a placement, like NIT, UPSC, whatever it is. Okay, so they have so much online courses to offer. So they are conducting the first ever India's hiring tournament. Okay, so what is hiring tournament and what is the sake of having that? What does you have to attend? So watch this video full to know about it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. Okay, so let me start with the first thing, that is Relevel by Unacademy. As I've said, this is the first India's hiring tournament. It's actually a tournament because you have 500 plus openings from 50 plus companies which are offering 6 plus LPA for the freshers with 0 years of experience till 15 plus LPA for the freshers. Okay, just for the freshers with 0 years of experience. And if you have more than that, definitely it's beyond 15 plus LPS. One more, the brightest thing here is you don't need a great resume. You don't have to attend so much of certification courses, internship opportunities. You don't have to know about so much things, so much technology, so much requirements. There is nothing like that. You got a skill, a single skill, showcase it and grab your job. Okay, when you apply for like mass hiring in TCS, Wipro, everywhere, what is happening there, you will be having a personal score, and that is getting compared with the other. Okay, with the other candidates, and who's having the greatest score is getting admitted to the that position. Okay, but what if in this opportunity it's something like you are getting hired based on your score alone? If you have got a score, that scorecard, your profile will be circulating among these 50 plus companies, and they will be hiring from if their requirements are correct in you. And there is a guaranteed hiring ever, that I can guarantee you, because there is no chance that if you could give your skill, if you could showcase your skill on that, whatever skill you have got, like the business management, you have a great idea of doing simple things or some technical skills, whatever it is, you are getting hired for that. Okay, there is no comparison between other candidates. You got a score, your things are getting circulated. There is no score, means it is not your academic score, it's a score that you are going to get from this contest. Okay, and this contest is completely simple. There is nothing to worry if you have a skill. So much startups and so much well established companies like Upgrade, Urban, Razorpay, so much are hiring you. 0 years of experience are getting 6 plus. Who the hell will give you this great package for the freshers? That too without a good academic background, that too without considering your resume. So this is definitely great, and you may not be knowing the importance right now, but please do go through the link that I've mentioned below regarding the Relevel now, just because once you hear, you may not be knowing it, because hiring tournament is something very new. So you may not be. So watch this again and again and know about this opportunities is inevitable. If you miss this right now, you are going to regret for your lifetime. Obviously, I can assure that. Please do attend for this. And this is a recent trend, because so if you have a bad academics background or something like that, but still if you got a skill and you're worried about your career, this is the right time to join. And also in this COVID pandemic, it is very difficult to get a job, or it is like the openings are very meager in amount. You definitely have to apply for this right now. To register for that, it's very simple. You just have to go to the link which I've mentioned in the description box for the Relevel, and you can register yourself by making a payment of 1999. So in this payment, we can help you with a 10% of discount with our coupon. So now you just have to pay only 1799. Okay, so just go to the link which I have mentioned in the description box, and you just go for all the companies available at the CTZs they offer. The various CTZ ranging from 6 to 15, just offer, know about the company, know about the domains on which the company works, and make your registration at the earliest. And now let's move on to the other job, which is at Capgemini. It is something, as I've mentioned, there is no coding in that. It's something related to the non-technical part. So now let's look what are the eligible criteria and how to get onto this job, everything in detail. So now coming to the Capgemini, there are two openings in Capgemini, which is a non-technical department, in the sense non-programming department. So first is the human resource admin, 0 to 1 years of experience in Kolkata, and you can see it's for any graduate. The job description you can see like responsible for ensuring SLA and TAT are met for the received volume from the stakeholders, respond to any query that comes up from the business, good knowledge of human resource domain, communication should be strong. Now the primary skills will be create courses, sessions, classes in My Learning Tools, update courses, sessions, classes as per the request from the client, and secondary skill will be able to work in a team. Candidate must be minimum graduate. Okay, so it's been a while that they have posted this job opening. It's almost more than 2-3 weeks, but still it is with the link is not yet withdrawn. It seems like it shows that they are even accepting more of the candidates to apply for this. They are not satisfied with the number of candidates they are applied. So to apply for that, you have to go to this apply now link. So if you have not created a session or created your profile in Capgemini Careers, then you have to create one, else you can just directly log in. This is, I have already created it, so I have logged in. So here we'll be having to give all of your personal details, everything in detail. Yes. So here, as you can see, that you have to give everything in detail, like your personal information, your documents, resume, cover letter, and everything. And after that, you have to give your profile information, employment information, education information, training and certifications, if any, preferred work location, language, job specific information, everything. And after that, you can save and apply. You can view your profile and just cross check everything is fine or not. And after that, the next opening is at accounts fresher. So coming to accounts fresher, it's an opening like only few days a week they have been gone with this. So here its job description is proficiency in MS Office, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Word, preferable with P2P knowledge, good communication skills, both written and verbal. Now coming to the primary skills, working knowledge in Oracle ERP, accounts knowledge, finance knowledge, Excel knowledge. Secondary skills, good communication skills, both written and verbal, freshers also accepted. Okay, so 0 to 1 years of experience they're looking forward for. The link is not expired. You can even apply. The same steps you have to follow after that of the human resource. You just have to log in. And if you have already profile, then definitely you can replace some necessary information for this. You have to, this is under two different domains, human resource and accounts fresher is two different domains. You have to make necessary changes in your resume and upload here and make this done. Okay, so this is how you have to go for the openings in Capgemini. So you know that Capgemini is such a great company for the freshers or whoever wish to get a gig start for their career. So if you're not looking forward for the programming jobs, then this is the alternative for you. These many jobs are there, which is for the freshers, and only some mega openings will be happening around the world for these openings, like these positions. So once if you get to know some opportunities like this, definitely apply for that. And now coming to the package details of this two, it's something approximately greater than 2.8, that is approximately 3, you can assure, like the statistics of the last previous year in the recruitment session. So actually it's great for the 0 years of experience, and obviously after your training and after your experience increase, then there will be a hype in the CTC2. So there is nothing to worry like meager salary, nothing to worry like that. You can apply for the job at the earliest. Okay, so that's all about the openings that is available across. So if you have any doubts, as I usually used to mention, please do let us know in the comment section. And also if you have any suggestions to make, you can make it. This two jobs, which is non-technical, is from your part of suggestions, because so much of suggested to bring up for the BCom, BBA, and not the technical jobs. So this is for them. So apply at the earliest. And so until I come up with another video regarding all the off-campus opportunities available, thank you everyone and have a great day. Everyone stay safe and stay tuned to online study for you.